Just always 88 counts, one wall advanced. Weight on the left. Section 1. Weave. Behind side cross, hitch point. 3/4 sweep. Quarter forward and half sweep. Now facing 3 o'clock. Weave. Cross, side, behind, side. Use 1 count to collect. Round the jump. Draw half circle or like a D shape. Section 2. To walk. Walk right, left. Rock, recover, back. Half forward. Make a quarter turn facing 6. Sway right, sway left. Sway right and collect left. Behind with point right, passe. Count section 1 and 2. 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7, 8, 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and. Section 3 and 4 repeat section 1 and 2. Start from 6 and finish at 12. Count for section 3 and 4. After A and 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7, 8, 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and. Section 5. Right sailor step. Behind side with press. Rolling full turn. Quarter forward, half back. Quarter side, same time reach right hand forward. Collect right, right fist to heart. Side right, right hand across chest. Collect left, right hand down. Count section 5. 1 and 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 6. 2 nightclub basic. Left side, close, cross. Right side, close, cross. Side, behind, side diagonal, facing 10:30. Half run around. Right, left, facing 4:30. Section 7. Forward right with sweep 1/8. Scrap to 6. Cross left with lunge. Recover quarter, facing 3 o'clock. 3/4 cross unwind with hand movement. Cross right hand down. Bend knees, unwind 3/4. Right hand up. Now facing 6 o'clock. Hold for 1 count. Rewind. Hand down, bend knee. Back to 6. Finish with weight on the right. Count section 6 and 7. 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7 and 8 and 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 8. Repeat section 6 from 6 o'clock. 2 nightclub basic. Side, close, cross. Side, close, cross. Side, behind, side, diagonal facing 4:30. Half run around. Right, left, now facing 10:30. Section 9. The first part is similar to section 7. Forward right, sweep 1/8. Scrap to 12. Cross with lunge. Recover quarter, now facing 9 o'clock. 3/4 unwind with both hands. Cross, hand down. Bend knee, unwind, hand up, palm facing forward. Turn hand to fist and collapse. Rise and prep. Count sections 8 and 9. 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7 and 8 and 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 10 has two options. Option 1, quarter forward, forward right with full spiral, step left, rock, recover. Half forward, facing 3, step left with full spiral, forward, rock, recover. Count Section 10, Option 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and. Option 2 for Section 10 is more advanced option. Use 2 counts to make 1 1/4 turn. Quarter forward, full turn, extend right toe forward, rock, recover. Then use 2 counts to make 1 1/2 turn. Half, full turn, extend left toe forward, rock, recover. Count Section 10, Option 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and. Section 11. Make a quarter turn side left with lunge. Recover 1/8, facing 130. Cross left, same time, push right hand forward. Push left hand forward. Collapse, turn hands to fists. Back right. Make a 1/8 turn, square up to 12. Sway left, sway right. Behind, point, and passe, ready to start the second rotation. Count Section 11. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and. Whole dance count. 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7, 8, 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7, 8, 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1 and 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7 and 8 and 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7 and 8 and 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and. Then you start the second rotation. Count for the last section of the second rotation is slightly different, which is 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5. Use 2 counts to collapse. 6, 7, 8, prep into the ending. The ending is repeat section 10 and 11. So repeat of this last section for the ending is 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7. When you do 8, raise your hand up, forward, and down.